Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 9. Borrowing class notes.
Do you have the notes from last week's class?
Did you come late?
I couldn't make it.
Why is that?
I was sick.
Oh, okay. Well, here you go.
Are these all of them?
Oh, wait. Here are the rest.
Thanks a bunch.
Don't mention it.
Do you mind if I borrow the notes from last week?
Were you here last week?
I was unable to make it.
How come?
I was sick that day and couldn't make it.
Well, here are the notes.
Are there any more?
Sorry, here you go.
Thanks a lot.
No problem.
Let me get last week's notes.
Yeah, sure you didn't come to class that day?
I couldn't come.
Why not?
I wasn't feeling well.
Here they are.
Thanks a lot. Are these all the notes?
Oh, no, this is the rest.
Thank you very much.
It's no problem at all. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dance for Young in order to get more video. Thank you.